Hi and welcome in this new video. Today we will be making some zucchini caprese boat. So it's like a zucchini with a caprese salad on top. So for this recipe we only need 3 main ingredients, which is a zucchini, a tomato, and some mozzarella cheese. Before I start, I preheat my oven at 375. So now it's time to have my zucchini. I start by cutting up the edges and then I cut it in the middle. Then now I just make several thin cuts at the diagonal in the middle of my zucchini. I make sure I'm not going too deep. There's also one ingredient that I forget to mention, which was the butter. As you guys know, I don't cook with any kind of oil, so we're using butter. Just put some butter on each side of my zucchini. And now it's gonna be time to add some seasoning, so I will be adding some salt and pepper. Then over medium heat I put my iron cast and I just put the zucchini on. I'm trying to make them sweat so they're gonna release a little bit of water, which is gonna be easier for the baking. And meanwhile I'm just gonna slicing up my tomatoes and my mozzarella, just as you see in the video. Just few slices will be more than enough. Then I take a plate, I put some parchment paper on it, just like this. And I'm just gonna put my zucchini that I just take off from the stove. It looks perfectly nice and golden. So now it's time to top with our tomato and mozzarella. Then I garnish my zucchini boat with some herb de Provence and I just put it in the oven at 175 for 15-20 minutes and they're ready to enjoy. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Everything will be on the description box below, and I hope to see you guys again for more quick and easy recipe. Bye guys.